This review is of Lily's Chocolate Espresso Baking Chips with 40% chocolate, flavored with other natural flavors, no sugar added. Gluten-free, made with stevia, fair trade certified ingredients. All right, what's on the back? Ooh, I see a recipe. Brownies with these chips, of course. What a surprise. I never would have expected that. No artificial colors or flavors. 1 gram of net carbs per serving. Parv. Great for snacking. Yep, I was just doing that. And then I realized I hadn't reviewed it yet. Non-GMO. Okay, 1 tablespoon has got 4.5 grams of fat, which 3 are saturated. Less than 5 milligrams of cholesterol, 10 milligrams of sodium, 7 grams of carbs, of which 3 are dietary fiber, 1 gram of sugar that's not added, 3 grams of sugar alcohol, and 1 gram of protein. Because protein comes from plants. Wait a second. This has got milk in it? You gotta be kidding me. Oh, you jerks. You total jerks. Why'd you have to ruin this? Dang have it all. I'm gonna go get some lactase. Alright, well, erythritol, kind of a lame sweetener, but doesn't bother your body unless you get a, you may get diarrhea from it if you go whole hog on it right away. Stevia. Alright, 35% fair trade certified. Let's go ahead and give it a try.
Thanks for watching. I need to ask for your help. On December 11th, 2024, Amazon fired me under false pretenses, and the 17th, I had surgery for the injury that occurred at Amazon that Amazon and Sedgwick refused to take responsibility for, so it's coming out of my pocket and my insurance company's pocket. That means I'm unemployed, and I will not be getting short-term disability from Amazon or from Sedgwick, so my financial situation is a bit of a problem right now. If you would like to help me, there are some things you can do. Number 1, you can like, subscribe, share, comment, and turn on notifications on my channels. Number 2, if you'd like to give a one-time donation, and please don't do this if you can't afford it, you can, on the Glenn's Fast Reviews channel, do a super thanks. Number 3, if you would like to help me on a monthly basis, you can become a member on Glenn's Fast Reviews, or you can go to patreon.com/GLENNMII and become a member there. Thank you so much for your support.
All right, well, I'm really disappointed that there's milk in this. I had not noticed that, and I probably wouldn't have bought them if I had noticed. It's like mocha. Yeah, that's how I would describe it. Or maybe coffee with milk. It's nice. I'll give it a 7. Afia, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.